And that's not even water over there.
No.
That's a skate park.
Yeah, the park's flooded. Completely flooded. You can walk through that bit there with the water. We could have done. It's like out of a ghost film. There's the river.